So welcome for our update for February for 2024. I'm Diana Geremia with Long and Foster, and I'm here with Alan Dillon. He is with Guaranteed Rate. Hi, Alan. We
Hi,
wanted to
Diana.
get a quick update from you on the mortgage market. What is going on out there?
Thank you, Diana. Great to be here with you again. And I have to tell you, maybe in the depth of winter, but it is busy, busy, busy still.
Yeah.
It's still a seller's market, absolutely. But what the buyers are doing, I have buyers now that are going in, they're snagging properties at the right time because they've gone in with the strategy you and I developed. They've gone in, they've got pre-approved, sometimes our bid pre-approval, and they're going out there. So, fortune favors the brave. So this is where the brave people are stepping up. Rates are still under 7, which is great, right?
Yes.
And don't forget, they've been heading down, down, down.
Yes.
That's the way. So buy now when they're high, when there's less competition, and refinance later in the year. That's
right.
What not a lot other lenders or realtors are not telling their clients is like, it's okay to buy when the rates are high. What's the difference? 100, 200 a month. But look to the long haul. Come fall when they're down, we'll refinance, and that'll make up the difference in the payment. Be it $100 to $200. You might make up $400 when the rates really go down. So busy, busy, busy.
Yes. Yes, I hear that. So people need to have an understanding about the equity that they're going to gain in their house, and that's really the purpose of buying. Not really so much to marry that rate, which is going to change and you'll be able to get out of anytime. So don't worry about the rate short term. The Fed has already said they're going to lower it twice. They just said they weren't going to do it until the middle of the year. We shouldn't expect any of that to happen until the middle of the year. So for right now, get the house at a good price, secure it, start building equity, and then you can refi out of it.
Yeah, and don't forget when they're building equity, they're also taking a tax deduction on the mortgage interest anyway.
Yes.
So it's a win-win because don't forget, rent is 100% interest.
That's right.
Right.
Another year. Another year of rent. You're not going to have any equity.
So you're getting the less competition.
Yes.
Okay, you're paying a higher rate, but you're getting the tax relief on that mortgage interest, and you're building equity.
Yeah.
Right. And it's your own place that you know what you want with. So this is why, like, the wars that we have then have listened to us and have said, something, that's right. Maybe drudgery and go out in the cold or the snow, whatever, but we will do it. And people are doing it because they're saying, we're not going up against 20, 30, even 40 bidders that we had last year.
Right. Oh, you're seeing those still multiple offers with the buyers coming through on you? Because I know we're seeing a lot of demand. I mean, after the first of the year hit, the buyers just came out of the woodwork.
So I'm seeing still a big demand. It's still there. So I just got off the phone with a borrower of mine that they're one of 5, and they're asking her to increase her offer, and she's already at 6% over ask.
Yeah.
And it's going to go more.
But wait, if this inventory doesn't continue to increase, which I do expect in March, April, we are going to see a little bit more inventory. My concern is, are the buyers going to be out there at a greater clip than the inventory is increasing? And then are we going to see more multiple offer situations and some price uptick?
I think that's a given. It's a given because always comes springtime. Everybody's got spring fever.
Yeah.
And they're out and about. Every year it still happens. It happens.
So it's a sweet spot right now to get in before people are really out there, beat the market, bid on a couple houses while the competition is a little bit less brisk, and then worry about your rates and getting out of it and refi. You offer the streamline, right? I know we brought this up last week, but it's free on streamline.
We do no close, no lender cost close, and all sorts of funky stuff now we've introduced.
Okay.
But you're right. Have the strategy, get out and bid to. That's what I'm telling all my buyers, and the ones that are doing it are succeeding.
Yeah.
They're succeeding.
Yeah. So get the terms that you want, get the house you want, and then let's get this refied as soon as you can. And so
know your budget. Know what sort of worst case on the budget. And do like 3 options on purchase prices. What I advise my clients, I send a side-by-side comparison. So let's say it was at 500, 525, and 550. I'll do a 3 side-by-side comparison. Then they'll know, well, it's not all that difference if I got 25,000 or whatever. And then that's the key to it. Have a strategy, and then you take them out there, and that's when you have the tactics.
That's right. And we can figure it all out, get them in the house, and then take care of them in the future and get
Correct.
them to a good rate. Okay,
Yeah.
well, Alan, I really appreciate you jumping on with us. I know your time is valuable. So if anybody wants an update, or if they want to consult with you about what the rates would be doing and what their payments would be to get plan and strategy in place, we will put a link to your information in the video, so that they can just scroll down and see all your information and then connect with either one of us, depending on where they are. Okay,
super.
thanks so much.
Thank
Alan
you,
Dillon
Diana.
again with a guaranteed rate. Be sure and connect with him if you want to get well taken care of on a mortgage loan. Thank you,
Thank
Alan.
you, everything,
Take
Diana.
care.
All the best,
All right.
everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.